Welcome to Yousign. When you create an invitation to sign, you can add various fields that allow you to complete your document before sending it for signature. Let's discover the most used fields together. The signature field is essential. It lets you enter the information of the participants and materialize their signature on the document. You need to add as many signature fields as there are participants in the invitation. You can add a person who already exists in your contact book or directly enter a new participant's information. The mention field allows you to easily add a mention such as read and approved directly to the document. That gives you the assurance that the mention respects a certain formatting while saving participants time from having to enter it manually. Finally, the text field allows you to ask participants to fill in additional information directly onto the document. All you have to do is ask the participant for the required information which they must enter before accessing the signature. Yes, getting your documents signed has never been easier.